Hey guys, wanted to make this video real quick. As the weather starts to warm up, we're entering into our busy season. I know there's 18,000 detailers out there and we're not the detailer for everyone, but if you're looking for an actual professional detail shop, then in my opinion, we are by far the best. Why do I say that? Well, we have over 155 reviews. We are IDA, International Detailing Association, and CPD certified professional detailer. We were named Best Detailer by Fort Worth Star-Telegram, Best Detailer by Expertise.com, Best Detailer by TrustAnalytica.com. We're insured with $2 million in coverage. That is not just general liability, but garage keepers. Garage keepers is actually what you need if somebody goes out and damages your vehicle. We have that. A lot of people don't. We are in our 1,700 square foot climate controlled shop with air conditioning and humidity control, which makes a huge difference. We have the best equipment you can buy. There's about 50 grand worth of equipment in here. We have thousands of cars under our belt. We have decades of combined experience. We use professional grade ceramic coatings that you can only get if you've gone through the training. Those coatings go on your CARFAX and come with a manufacturer back warranty. We offer a free ceramic maintenance plan. We have valet service available. We are open Saturdays. We have key drop off if you need it. And we have financing available. So all that to say, if you're looking for a actual professional shop and more than just a quick wash from the local teenager, we would love to talk to you. We'd love to see how we can best help you get your vehicle protected. Give us a call.